Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. To check your Yahoo Mail login activity or login history, open your web browser and go to the yahoo.com and sign into your Yahoo account. After that, simply tap on the mail icon available in the top right corner right next to your name or avatar. You can see that. Simply tap on it and it will navigate you to the Yahoo Mail. Once you're inside the Yahoo Mail, simply tap on your name option available in the top right corner again. You can see there is your name icon available right next to the home icon. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you'll get to see view account info option available right now below your email. Tap on it again. And now scroll down and you'll get to see review your account history option available there. Now again tap on it. And here you will get access or list of every account that recent login activity associated with your Yahoo account. The login activity typically includes details such as the date and time of each login, the location, and the type of device used. Check the list to verify that all login activities are familiar to you. If you notice any suspicious login attempts, take appropriate action immediately. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.